Putting on a clinic. Look at that one.
Yeah, nice job, Jake.
Look at the size of that fish.
Nice, Jake, nice.
How does that feel? Good? Man, you're more nonchalant than me. I'd be screaming. Got him on the worm. That is a hoss, bud.
I cast it and I put it back and then
He ate it?
came up and it ate it.
Jake the fish slayer.
Jake, you see how all these guys aren't catching fish and everyone looks over because you keep hooking them? Pretty awesome, dude.
That's a big fish.
It's a really big fish. Yeah, I need some help here.
You want me to hold something? You got that? Yeah.
All right, buddy. How about we... It's because I netted him really quickly, and so he didn't get my...
Oh, yeah.
I kind of netted him when I had an opportunity to.
Oh, I don't blame you.
He wanted to go on another run, for sure, but...
We'll save that for later. Right now, it's about quantity.
Yeah, we're trying to get some numbers.
No doubt. All right, I want to see you grab that thing, Rick. I got this camera rolling here, man. This is what it's all about.
Okay, got that rod. I've got that rod. And Jake, this one's going to be a lot harder than the last one, so you really got to put your hand under there and grip him like that. And he's going to kick, and you just can't get scared when he kicks.
Okay.
He's not going to do anything to you, I promise.
You got it, man. Come on, you got it, big
If he does
boy.
anything...
Oh, you going where I can't even walk in front of the camera. Something like that.
Use both hands.
Like his brother over here checking things out.
Actually,
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
There you go. Now turn towards the camera. Turn towards your dad.
Yeah.
Even more.
Nice.
Turn and it'll get a nice side shot.
Yeah,
Boom,
cool.
dude, what a
Sweet,
fish.
sweet. All right, bud. Good job.
Yeah.
Nice
Nice
job.
work, Jake.
He's tired now. About a thumbs up, man, huh?